And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell.
All right, we're starting out with a look outside this afternoon from Longview. As you notice here that we have a mostly cloudy to a partly cloudy sky, breezy and very humid out there. Air you can wear with a dew point around 70. Heat index right now feels like 93. Air temperature at 88 and a southeast breeze. Thankfully, we do have a slight breeze around 10 miles an hour. Look at the moisture right now. It is very, very humid. This will help with thunderstorms as they move in tomorrow. This is going to wring out all the moisture that it can. Some of us tomorrow have the potential to pick up 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, and I would say especially south of Interstate 20. That's where we have the better chance on some of those heavier rainfall amounts. Everybody has warmed back up. Remember yesterday we had 60s, low to mid 60s in our northwest counties. What a difference 24 hours makes. We're back to the humid air, near 90 in Quitman right now. 85 Sulphur Springs, 86 in Gilmer, 85 in Marshall. We've got 87 in Troop, 88 the temperature in Athens. Henderson at 90 degrees, 89 Mount Enterprise, 88 in Palestine, 88 in Huntington. Zavala at 90. We've got 88 in Hemphill and 86 in Crockett. There's plenty of available energy in the atmosphere, but especially down in deep East Texas. That's where we'll watch for maybe an isolated shower or a thunderstorm to develop. A look at the East Texas Storm Team radar. For now, everything is relatively quiet. Keeping an eye on some of the specks that you see beginning to fire up. Those are just some of the towering cumulus clouds. We'll watch for these in case any isolated showers try to develop. Overall, the precipitation chance this evening is low. High resolution model, sometimes a bit aggressive, but it does show a couple of brief thunder showers that cannot be ruled out this evening, but the majority of us are not going to have any precipitation concerns. We'll roll the clock into 8, 9 o'clock. Any isolated showers I think should be done by 9 o'clock at the very latest. All the active storms really off to the north and to the northwest, so no problems for us here as we get into the late evening. I think overnight, outside of some patchy drizzle or a very brief shower in our northwest counties, we are going to remain precipitation free. That changes into the day tomorrow. Our severe weather alert will kick in during the day on Thursday. Here's Thursday morning, 9 a.m. Maybe not a whole lot happening at this point, but we are just a couple of hours away from those storms beginning to fire up, and they're starting to move in between about 11 and 1 o'clock. Here they come. Initially, as these storms move in, some of these will have the potential to rotate because they're individual and they're separated from the actual main line. We could still have wind gusts associated with those and even some hail, but the rotating thunderstorms probably initially into the early afternoon. Then we start to see a line start to get its act together after probably 2 o'clock. That's working its way to the southwest, and notice how most of the storms are I-20 moving to the east and to the southeast. So deep East Texas tomorrow, you're probably making it to the mid 80s again, and then you're looking at storms after 4 or 5 o'clock to move in, and they still could be very heavy. So we're going to track the severe threat all the way through the area through the late evening hours. After 9 o'clock, the storm threat will come to an end and things will quiet down. As we've talked about, though, our severe weather threats, damaging wind gusts, medium, may even nudge this over to the higher category. That will be our top severe concern, but tornadoes, large hail in the medium category, a non-severe threat. Not expecting flash flooding, but can't rule out some ponding on roadways. But as I mentioned, 1 to 2 inches of rain possible in some locations. So have a way to get weather information. Some of you may have impacts picking up kids tomorrow from school or on the bus ride home. So I know school administrators have their safety plan in place, ready to go in the event that we've got severe storms that are passing through. So be on the lookout for that. Things are quieting down as we head into the weekend. We could see potential records going into Sunday, record high temperatures. That's for Mother's Day. Deep East Texas severe alert as well for tomorrow. The storms in late Thursday night. We could have a couple of showers though with the heat for next week.